Hi, thanks for checking out this channel or video. This is going to be a how to fix video on one of these units. It's hard to read, but it's an International 98 Deluxe solid state. It's a later version, one of the last variations of this unit that came out. We're going to take it apart and fix it for a guy. Not much to these things. Pretty bare bone basic. I need to go grab a, actually, I don't think I need to, I don't remember if I got to drill the rivets out on this thing or not. Remember, it's been a while since I worked on something like this, but it's like the screws are all missing out of it. And there's a screw right there I got to pull out, someone put in there. So we'll pull that out. Let me grab I think a magnetic deal should be, yeah, it's the right size. Can't misplace my regular drill, so I got to use this impact one, which is kind of overkill for this kind of stuff, but it's what I get handy. Oh, there's a screw over here. There it is, and there it is. So what we're going to do is this board's bad and thing, so we're going to put a new board in it. But as you can see, I got to take the plates out of this one and put them into this one. So pretty easy to get out. Just got to loosen the nuts up, wing nuts up at the front here. Washes off. Same thing here. Pull the little bolts out. We're missing supposed to be two of these. Looks like somebody's been in this thing before. It's missing the other one. I got a spare one here we can put on it. Pretty dirty inside. Water got in it or what? Clean up some of the junk in there. It's missing the two little lenses on the front here, so we'll probably just put some tape across there. I don't have any of those spare lenses laying around. Okay, so the hardest part about this whole thing is getting these stupid plates out of it. Need a knife to just tape around it. Let me go find a little blade here to cut it open with. All right. Let's see. Gotta be careful. Cut myself. Wish I just had these laying around spares. I just want to dick around with pulling all this tape off the dumb thing. Come on. So, yeah, I apologize for all this crap, but this is sometimes what you gotta do, because the new boards don't come with it. At least the boards I have in stock don't. It's kind of an obsolete unit. They don't make units like this anymore. Okay, there's a little crease there. There we go. Starting to break everything loose. You got basically three different sets of plates. You got these, they call the E's. And let's put them in like this. And then you've got the I's, they call it. E's and I's. And you got these two are basically this larger E version of these plates, but they're a little bit bigger. And they're used to kind of help hold the I's in place. So they go on the back side of the E's, like that. And then the I's going like this. These are the lamination plates for the transformer, so it can what do we call it, doing transformer stuff, go between the primary and secondary, lets the power bump up. And they use those plates as part of the magnetic field that the transformer builds up. Alright, I need some tape to put around this thing. Use this strapping tape to do it. Find the end somewhere here. There it is. Oop. So we're gonna go around it twice. This is just to hold the plates in place. That's all we're doing it for. Okay, now I'm going to scoot up just a little bit and kind of go over the top edge now, all the way around. Alright, then we'll take these little plate things here and put this over here. This is what helps hold the terminal bolts in place. They have like a kind of a carriage bolt that goes through there. And you got kind of a square piece there, and this has got a square hole. So that's what helps hold the bolts in place. So we'll put those bolts back into it. I mean, this is it. That's all that's inside this thing. So it's brand new inside, basically. So we're going to put these bolts back into this little hole here. This thing just kind of sits in this little slot right there. So let's pull it all the way flush inside. I back this off the frame here for a second so I can see what I'm doing. Hold on. I think it's in there all the way. Let's put this back cover on real quick just to see if it let's see if everything lines up like it's supposed to and keeps everything in place. Yep, okay. Alright, let's pull that back off. You gotta keep your fingers on the inside put them on the back side of these bolts right here. Make sure the bolts all the way in the flush, and each side takes 2 washers. And then we put the wing nut on there. Put it on there all the way flush. That will definitely pull the transformer in a little tighter. Alright, now we'll take this power cord, plug it on here. There's no polarity to it. And we'll slide this cord right there. Put this on like that. And then we'll take where's the other screw? Oh, there it is. Alright, so let's plug this in here. There it goes. Put a screwdriver across it so it kind of spark it a jump. This is a solid state unit. This isn't low impedance. Put the tester across it, show you what it's reading. About 10,000 volts. So these solid state units put out a hell of a lot of power, or a hell of a lot of voltage, but they don't have that reserve power like a low impedance one does. So the thing I got to do, I got to cover up these holes. Bugs and dirt and stuff getting in there, so we'll cover that up. I got to find some tape around here somewhere. I'll look for it later. All right, but this one's done, ready to go. So we're going to get the guy fixed up. He actually had two of these. This one and one looks similar to it. So we're going to get that going as well. But there's our information right there. You can send something in to us for repair. Call us with questions. You want to order some parts. Maybe we can help you with some parts. Save you some money by doing it yourself. All right, well, that's it for this video. A little quick little repair on the thing, and guy's good to go. So hopefully it helps you out. Need any other help with anything? You got questions on what a good fence charger would be to buy, or what's good out there nowadays? I'll let you know. So give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, write a comment down below, whatever you want to do. Until next time, see you later.